Okay, I wanted to talk about just a small little issue that seems to be kind of a common theme through many of the papers, and it's probably just Google. But one of the things, I don't know if you can notice here, there's extra space in between this last sentence and research method. Again, this is technicality, but this is APA that everything's double spaced. So what you'll need to do is highlight that and then go up to your format settings, which you're not seeing this probably, but you go up to format and then hit paragraph styles and I'm sorry, line spacing, and then hit custom spacing, and it will show before and after. Those need to be 0. And if you apply that, that fixes that and makes that all double spaced. So just make sure that it is completely double spaced, but sometimes either Word and or Google Docs will put an extra space after the end of a paragraph, and that needs to be adjusted. And the only way to adjust that is through the paragraph settings. Another thing I just want to remind you, which this is a perfect example of what you should do, when you start a new section, Action Research Methodology, for example, make sure you have an intro paragraph before you start with a subheading. You cannot have two headings together. So go ahead and do your main heading here in the center, then add a short little intro, and then start with your subheading. And that is APA.